Hello and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make avocado and banana muffins. I make them for Oscar here, who is 9 months old at the moment, and they are a solid part of my freezer stash. I have been trying to find lots of recipes for snack items. We've just moved on to 3 meals a day plus a snack. So snacks are a bit scary. I don't really like the ones that are in the shop. The ingredients list is terrifying, so I wanted to make my own freezer stash items that I could take on the go or give to him just between meals. So these banana and avocado muffins are perfect. They've got no added sugar, no nasties, and are really delicious. So he loves them and my husband and I love them too. The other great thing about these is that they are full of ingredients that you'll most likely have already at home, which is a real plus for a recipe. So you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of rolled porridge oats, or any kind of oats that you use, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 really large banana or 1.5 medium bananas, 1 avocado, 2 pouches of any kind of puree of your choice. I'm using prunes here, but you could use apple puree, apricot, mango, whatever flavour you want. The pouches are about 70 grams, I think. Yeah, 70 grams. So you need 2 of those to make 140 grams. You need an egg and 60 mils of milk, or 1/4 cup. Now that could be milk like I'm using, or you could use formula or breast milk or coconut milk or soy milk, whatever you fancy, but you're going to need 1/4 cup. Okay, so this works in 2 parts. First, you're going to put the dry ingredients together, so your cup of flour, your cup of oats, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a real good mix so that all of the baking powder and baking soda is distributed within the flour and the oat mixture. Okay, and then the wet ingredients are your banana. So I've got a really large banana. If not, do 1.5 medium bananas and a whole avocado, and then use the back of a fork just to mash it completely. You want it to get to a liquid state, so keep going until it kind of resembles a bit of a liquid. Then add your milk, your egg, and give it another mix. Finally, add your 2 pouches of fruit puree. I'm using prunes here, so my mixture ends up quite brown, but obviously if you're using apple, it would still be a lighter colour. Next, just mix in your puree, whisking it in so that it is completely combined. Obviously, mine makes it easier because it's darker, but if you're using applesauce, just give it a real good mix for a few minutes until it's all combined, and then add it all to your dry ingredients. Then finally, with your wooden spoon, just give everything a good mix. Keep mixing until you don't have any flour left at the bottom of the bowl. So I'm using a mini silicone muffin tin. You could use a regular muffin tin. It makes 18 of these mini muffins, or it would make 12 full-size muffins. With the mini muffins, I just use a tablespoon for each section. And then once you've done that, take it to the oven. It takes about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And then they'll come out beautiful and golden and risen. And then just take them out to cool. As you can see, Oscar was trying to pick the best one. He chose the biggest. And he really does enjoy these. We take them out just in a Tupperware container, in the changing bag, just in case he needs a snack while we're out, or between breakfast and lunch. This tends to be our go-to for a snack as well. Thank you for watching this week's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'll link some of the other videos now above if you're interested in any other kind of baby-led weaning recipes. Don't forget to check out my channel and subscribe so that you are informed of any new videos. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!